So as we go through a brief overview of cloud computing, we kind of need to review the characteristics of cloud computing and consider how this changes how we may secure using an environment like that. Cloud is a type of network-based computing model where organizations consume a pool of resources that the cloud provider has and offers. You can use their data, their compute, their storage resources, and you consume from a very large pool of these resources. The cloud, as its name implies, has abstracted the concepts of geography, physicality, ownership. All of these resources are virtualized among many people who are consuming the cloud resources. This is a shared resource pool, so it transcends the responsibility of any single organization. But then you also get greater economies of scale because you're renting that infrastructure rather than having it be physically dedicated. So just from this high-level definition of cloud, we can start to think about what are the security implications. Obviously, data privacy and confidentiality is a concern because now we're sharing something, and we may not want to share this particular data. So understanding the classification, marking our data appropriately is something we need to consider. And also, if it's shared and we're renting something, can we guarantee that it's going to be there when we need to, when our businesses rely upon those resources? The availability of those cloud resources is important. We need to be able to rely upon them as much as we do our current on-premises data center infrastructure systems. And also, because the geographical dissolving and the removal and virtualization of where these things are stored, where the data is stored, the legal jurisdiction for the geography of distributed resources becomes a concern. So you can see even just from the high-level view of cloud computing services, it changes the way we think about computing.